This the house on Blanding. This the one I kind of want to take the loan out on with you. I'm over here cutting the grass now. See, I already got the new windows in. The outside of the house already been painted. That window come in on the 30th, I believe, of next month. And the back window come in Alright. This the inside of the house. I already got new floors in. Somebody broke in the other day and punched holes in the walls. So all that stuff new, but I can just easily fix that. We ran the floors through the kitchen. New back sliding glass door. All the utilities is on. Well, not the gas, but it's new PEX plumbing already ran. New PEX plumbing. The bathroom. This is the this is the middle bathroom. See, they punched holes all in my walls. That window. And this the window that came in there. This window will also be here on the 30th next month. They knocked the boards down and came straight in. But this the master bathroom. We're gonna put subfloor carpet in the bedrooms. See the damage they did. We're gonna put subfloor carpet in the bedrooms. That's the flooring for the bathroom. This the backyard. I need to get the kitchen in. Going down to the basement. So it will be a finished basement. I'm gonna re-drywall all that type of stuff. It will be a finished basement. So it'll be a 3-bedroom. And then let me show you. Just the other half, but all the PEX, all that stuff been ran. Somebody done stole the little piece off of there, but that's it. So it will be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a finished basement. All right, thank you.